Hello guys, good morning to all of you. I am Mr. Noble, I'm your friend from the Philippines, and I just want to show you what you can find inside this Father membership. I have been a member of this membership for almost 2 months now, and I'm proudly to say to you that I am really happy to be a member of this membership. Maybe you will ask me why I feel that way. Because I am working as an internet marketer for maybe 7 months, but I didn't find anything else to guide me that can teach me how to be a good internet marketer. As you can notice, I have my limitation because I cannot speak to you correctly, English with the right grammar, but still I'm still trying my best to work hard on this kind of business because I really believe that there's a big opportunity working with this business. As you can notice, Chris membership is voted as #1 internet marketing service by imreportcard.com. imreportcard.com is an independent website that gives independent reviews about internet marketing membership products or anything else that is valuable and offered in the internet. So if you want to purchase something in the internet, maybe a software or an internet marketing service or a membership, you have to visit their site first. I am the Fortran site to see an unbiased review about the product you are interested in buying. So, what you can find in Chris Fowler membership site? First, you can find here the how to create your first website video series. It is a video series that will teach you on how to make your first website that you can use to create a sales page or anything else. Or if you are in selling, it will teach you how to configure your 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 web page into your own needs, just like putting your PayPal account there and anything else that you want to change on that page. It is a newbie friendly website. It uses an easy language that everybody can understand. And also, you can find there a complete video series of a web business step by step. This complete video series will help you to teach you the right process on doing a web business. It is taught in easily manner, step by step. So you will not lose anything in watching this complete video series. It is also has a 21 days to success that will give you an instructional on what to do for each day for 21 days to achieve your success. You can check everything in here inside the Chris Fowler membership site, but if you want to join, you can try it for 2 weeks for less than $5 for 14 days, but after that you will be billed $28 for each month. As a member also, you will have access to have a free hosting for your domain name. Let's say if you have a 10 domain name, you can ask for a free hosting for your 10 domain name for free. It is unlimited with hosting support. What else you can find in this membership site? The traffic generation technique, all of this here is explained, and also a tons of downloadable material that you can use in your business. Software tool that you can use. It also has follow-up email that you can just copy paste on your Uber account or your autorespond